name is Ketut Gede Wijanaya Arimbawa. In this time, I will to do a practicum. The title of practicum is sound.
Sound is caused by the vibration of object that propagate through the medium at the same speed.
Let's go practicum.
The first step is prepare the equipment. Second step, hold at the base of the two glass by using a scissor. The third step is cut the thread 3 meters and 5 meters. The fourth step, connect edge of the building thread to the bottom of the can by inserting the end of the thread in the hole and then connect the thread with a nail.
Halo, hello, halo, halo, hello, halo.